Hello, I'm Maureen and I want to show you how to make pasta. Yes, pasta. Okay, put some water in your pot. Like I've added 4 cups of water. Yes, and then add in some salt. Then you let the water boil. Let the water boil first before adding your pasta. Yes, just 4 cups for 400 grams. My water has boiled, so guys, so let me add my pasta over here. Stir them and let them cook. That is my pasta, guys. Let it cook with not too much heat, just medium. You're supposed to stir them. Don't forget to stir them so that they won't stick to each other. Yes, you stir them very well. We are almost. So here, my pasta is ready. If there's maybe it still has some water, you can drain the water using a colander or anything. Yeah, you can drain the excess water. Yes, with some minced meat over here. Yes, I'm going to eat my pasta with the minced meat. Thank you, and please subscribe, guys. Subscribe, like and share. Thank you.